Exceeding expectations. That is exactly what you'll find from the entire medical team at MidAmerica Plastic Surgery and Med Spa. This next actually medical expert segment has been sponsored by MidAmerica Plastic Surgery. And here to talk more about the practice is the owner, founder, and board certified plastic surgeon. We have Dr. Ryan Dieterich alongside of Crystal Wolf. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. I'm excited to talk about this. I mean, so many people experience things that they don't like about their body. And Dr. Dieterich, you're changing so many lives. How did you get started with your practice?
So I remember going through school, debating on what I wanted to do, what direction. And I'll never forget the moment I walked into an operating room and there was a kid born without an ear. And when we walked out, he had an ear. And I realized the change you could make on a person's life with plastic surgery.
It's just something that little, like being able to hear, right? Have two ears on your body. That is absolutely incredible. And not only are you changing so many lives, just like that little boy, you're also changing lives like Crystal with so many of the different operations that you guys have. What are some of the services that you offer to patients that come in?
So we offer a full line of aesthetic surgery, basically mommy makeovers, tummy tuck, liposuction, breast augmentations, breast lift, in addition to a full line of medical spa services.
You have all of your bases covered. And if you're at home, you're watching, and you want to learn more about some of those services, look no further than MidAmerica Plastic Surgery. Now, Crystal, you are here. You have an amazing testimony for Doc. I mean, where does your story begin with MidAmerica?
My story really is two separate journeys. First was a weight loss journey. I had lost 90 pounds.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then a colleague of mine that I work with had actually been a previous patient of his. True testimony. Got to see how much confidence that she excelled from that. So after the weight loss was over, I had the loose skin and I couldn't attach myself to it, and I didn't have to. So I went and saw Dr. Dieterich, and he spent so much time during my consultation going through all my options, never rushed me, took so much time, explained everything thoroughly, and I think I signed up for a date that day.
That is amazing. I mean, and to just be able to, we're looking at some of your before and after photos right now, but just to be able to know that someone is walking you through it, you're not being rushed, you feel comfortable, you want this surgery. I mean, let's look at these before and after photos. So they're gone now, but you look good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I mean, what was the turning point for you to say, you know what? I don't want to deal with this anymore. I need some help, some medical help.
After I lost the weight, I was really unsure. I had been heavier most of my life, what would be underneath. And I finally was like, this is never anything I can firm up on my own. This is actually loose skin. After deep diving onto his website. And so I went to see him, and he went over my options. And he's like, there's nothing you could have done about this on your own. This is just loose skin. And then also my breasts. I had always had larger breasts, and then with the weight loss, they were completely gone.
Wow.
And
you look great.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I never
welcome.
realized how much of my own femininity I attached to my breast until after I had the surgery, and I'm like, oh wow, I feel great.
Amazing. I feel good. And just looking at some of the photos, being able to see, you're literally glowing right now, which is absolutely amazing. And Doc, you're putting so many smiles on so many women's faces. I mean, their bodies change after they have babies. Their breasts get larger, they get smaller. You're really helping them feel amazing from the inside out.
Yeah, it's the greatest part of this is to watch the journey from start to finish and just see how lives are changed.
Well, St. Louis, if you're at home, you're watching, and you are ready for a life-changing experience, Dr. Dieterich is here for you. He's not just working on the body, but your face as well. There's also med spa services inside of MidAmerica Plastic Surgery, and the facility is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're at home, you're watching, you're interested in weight loss, whether surgical options or non-surgical options, make sure you have access on how you can visit MidAmerica Plastic Surgery online. That website is right there on your screen. They're in Glen Carbon, Illinois, just 15 minutes from downtown St. Louis. And you can pick up the phone today and give them a call, book a consultation, an introductory appointment at 618-288-7855. We'll make sure you have access to all of those details on our website at studiostl.tv. And don't forget to give them a follow on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok.